Hello, Mzansi. It's your gossip girl. Musa Mseleku took out all of his wives and their kids for a family vacation. However, Maqele declined and refused to go with them because she feels that every time when they go on a family vacation, it's either they're fighting for a bigger bedroom or they squabbles between who's going to sleep with Musa, this and that. So she's tired. She's saying that from now on, I will no longer partake in the family vacations. Fine, they got to the destination. All the three wives had their own bedrooms as always, and then Musa this time around had his own presidential suite where all of the wives are expected to take turns into coming to Musa's bedroom in the presidential suite. So in most times when they go for a family vacation, Musa Mseleku will always stay or sleep in Maqele's bedroom. So this time around, because Maqele is not there, he chose to stay in his own presidential suite. So this is where the problem comes between Musa Mseleku and Mangwabe being the fourth wife. On the first night when they arrived at the vacation, everything was fun, bubbly. They had supper. They arrived there, I think, the evening. And you know that Musa Mseleku takes 1 hour to each family, just, saying good night and all of them and catching up with them. So he went to Mangwabe's bedroom saying that, you know what, this is your night, you should come to my bedroom. And then Mangwabe said that yes, but during her diary session, she said that she did not come there to get late. And then the second attempt was when it was Makumalo's turn to go to the presidential suite to, get intimate with Musa Mseleku. And then Makumalo was like, you know what, there was so much tension today. Can I give Mangwabe my night so that you guys can resolve your issues, because I feel that it's way deeper than it is, And Musa Mseleku, if you can remember Mzansi, in the past season, he's been complaining about one of his wives saying that she used to sleep with a tide, one of the wives that does not want him to sleep with her. So right now it's quite evident who he is talking about, because in his diary Musa Mseleku also mentioned the fact that this is what Mangwabe does even at home, saying that Mangwabe is a very selfish person. She does not care about anyone, now he's just doing all of this just for the sake of keeping the marriage alive and for the sake of the kids. But Mangwabe has an attitude of I don't care. And it's quite evident if you're no longer intimate with your husband or your partner, like the marriage is over. The marriage is over because the marriage is over. Now, when I look at Mangwabe's actions, she has emotionally checked out of the marriage. Like, she's just waiting for that thing of Musa to bring like a fifth wife and be like, bye bye. I'm not doing this. I'm a qualified nurse. I can take care of myself financially and my kids. You'll just support the kids. And Mangwabe has built her parents a big house at a homestead. So yeah, now I think I see a divorce. Looking at Musa's marriage together with Mangwabe, I see a divorce. It will happen sooner or later. If Musa Mseleku is adamant about taking a fourth wife, I think the divorce will happen, because he keeps on saying on the show that Mangwabe, he did not say Mangwabe, he keeps on saying that one of the wives is threatening to leave me. One of the wives is threatening to leave me if I take a fourth wife. And we know who that is. It is Mangwabe and Maqele. But Maqele did not say that I'm leaving this marriage. Maqele keeps on, telling us about their marriage, terms and the agreement and all of that. But she never said that. Now she's checking out of the marriage. The person that is saying that she's checking out of the marriage, it is Mangwabe. So I feel that at this point, she's not there. Even if when she's with the family, she's always quiet. She does not laugh. She does not care. She does not care. She does not care. So for me, I was like, I don't think even in season 8 we will see more of Mangwabe. I don't know, sense what you think about this. Anyway, at the end of the video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what do you think. Bye bye.